Get it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey. No monkey.
Okay. Yeah.
There's like too many people going.
There's too many people starting to leave now. Daggone.
Hey dude and dudettes, what up? It's your boy Dude Mungus. I just wanted to show you how one person not paying attention causes so much confusion. This moment here, we had set up 2 4-way races to happen. Somebody came around and they didn't know what we had set up, and they just went on about their business, and it kind of messed everything up because they were not paying attention. Not saying that this person is a bad person, they just messed up. Moments like this can be very frustrating because we have been waiting 5 or 6 minutes, waiting on everything to clear up so we can get these runs in. And this person, again, not saying that they're a bad person, they just weren't paying attention. They probably had no idea we had been setting this up, but because we were waiting there, he should have waited. But again, this is something we will get into a little bit later because I definitely feel like we need another roll race etiquette video for you guys that don't know.
Dang, bro. I'll flag y'all too. I'll flag it. Y'all too. You, come on. You, come on. No, him. You. Just forget it. Forget it. Just go. It's too much, bro. Too much. Killing me, bro. And I don't care who you are. I don't do those unsafe situations. I don't do it. Flat out, I am going home every night. I am going home. It's not an option. It's not a question. I'm going home. Which means Mungus will shut it down, bro. Like, I don't do that stuff, bro. When you come to the race spot, you have to know the etiquette of the race spot. And if you don't know the etiquette, get out of the way, bro. Like, there's no reason for you to be in the way. Dude came in the lane. He's like, oh, I'm in the slow lane. You're messing up. We just set up a 4-way. You came after we were there. You wait until we go. About that, man.
There's a lot of people.
It's a lot, bro. I'll probably.
I did see a car come this way, go down.
Yeah. Okay, I'll probably do one more pass going down, and then I'll go back and chill out for a second. Yeah.
One pass going down, and then.
That's why I get when people don't understand the race spot. I'm like, yo, just chill out, bro. You, come on. Everybody ready? wanna do one more? Let's loot. Dang, I got a bad hit on that one. Yeah, I got a super bad hit, so I don't know, bro. It was trash. And I was like, no, that's not what my bike can do. My bike is better than that, bro. That was trash. All right, dude and dudettes, we're going out. I guess this is round 2 we're going out for.
Let me get on the right side. My camera's on the right.
Absolutely. Dang, he got out hard. You're fast, bro. Dang, you want to record it? Huh? You recorded it? It wasn't. It wasn't? Okay, gotcha. Oh, that guardrail. Trouble came up out of nowhere. Super Jixer, dang, bro. I'm gonna head over there. Dang, bro. That was good. That hit is crazy. I'm probably, I'm gonna grab my stuff after this. Yeah. I'm gonna grab my stuff after this, bro. Woo! That was sketchy. We had some good pulls, man. Yeah, it's getting like faster and faster. Yeah, it's rolling. Yeah, it's strong. It's true. I just gotta learn how to. I gotta learn how to ride. I gotta grow up.
Belum sa kawatan. Namake.